You must have already seen the beginner push-up video. Let's get started with the advanced push-up video. First, diamond push-ups. Your hands exactly stay in this position where your thumb and your index finger comes together. You lay it on the floor. Focus on bending your elbows more while you reach towards the floor. Mountain or dolphin push-ups. Keep your heels off the floor throughout the entire process. Keep your hands and legs exactly in line with each other. Try and reduce the distance between your hands and legs so that your body creates a shape of a mountain. While you do a push-up, try and reach your head towards the floor, but don't break it. Your knees stays locked throughout the entire process. In wide hands push-ups, everything remains the same as your normal push-ups. It's just that your hands are spaced out as wide as possible while you do a push-up. Handstand push-ups. Surely one of the toughest push-ups of all times. Avoid doing it without the support of a friend, a wall, or a family. Focus on breathing out more while you do one.